Today we're going to learn how to add a new tax code in QuickBooks Desktop. You go to Sales Tax, Manage Sales Tax, and then we're going to change the tax setup, and we're going to add another rate for an existing tax. What we're going to do today is we're going to add a 50% of the regular tax rate so that we can use it when we record meals and entertainment. So in Ontario, the HST is 13%, so we're going to add a rate for 6.5%. So we add a rate for an existing tax. Receiver General is the tax agency. Tax name, we're going to name it M for meals. And we can apply a tax rate to sales or to purchases. In this case, we don't use this rate for sales. We only use it for purchases, so I'm just going to say I'm not going to apply it to sales. Next, I do apply it to purchases. We're going to go 6.5. Don't have to add the percent sign because it's already here. We want this to appear on our HST return, and we want it to appear on 106 input tax credits line. So we're good with all of this. We're going to go next. Tax code, let's make that an M as well. And it's a new tax rate. We don't want to go changing the existing tax rates. Next. And this is all correct, so we're going to click Finish. So what we've done here is we've added this new tax rate. Now, the other thing you're going to want to do is go into your chart of accounts. So Company, Chart of Accounts, and we're going to find the Meals and Entertainment account. And we're going to right-click and edit it and add an M here so that we don't have to put it in every time we post to this account. The only other thing that I want to remind you of today is that there is no HST at all on tips, so make sure when you're entering these receipts that you don't use the meals tax code on the entire receipt. You have to break out the tip and use exempt for that. Thanks for watching.